Was good, y'all. Little rain last night, and the sunroof isn't really put back together, so I'm really hoping that it didn't leak inside. Check. So I am hella mad, man. Off of an app on my phone. Just got done putting together this video. It was about like 7 minutes long. It fucking wiped the whole fucking piece, yo. It wiped it out. Like, so we're rocking this, snort lines and fuck dimes. Go ahead and support the YouTube channel just to support the VIP build for the Lexus and anything else that goes on. You know, I just want to raise awareness on my channel. I just want you guys to watch what I do. You feel me? Unless you're a hater, yo, you don't want people to succeed, then fuck you too. There's this dude I met named Brandon off of a Lexus GS site, and he posted a rear bumper that I had been wanting to get. I was skeptical about getting it until I seen it in person, and we're gonna go pick it up right now. We just gotta go cash the check real quick, and then we're gonna drive to his house. Fortunately, dude lives literally in the same city I do, and on top of that, he lives literally 1 mile away from me. So, yeah.
Catch a nigga slipping and I'm sliding. Put blower to his gums like some trash. Tough talk on the net, now nigga feeling macho. I get a bitch to give me head like I'm hungry.
Stop by, got something to eat real quick, and then a little lunch date.
Ain't no show until I show up. Can't hit my phone until I'm.
Yeah, you know, mobbing, you know, nothing unusual or anything, right? So it is the next day, and we have to go to work at 3. We start getting ready at 2 because I only work like right down the way. So it's 12:25 right now. So we're gonna play a little game called Install Car Parts Before You Go to Work, and install the rear bumper. My trunk probably has the worst attention right now. We got bigger things to worry about. So anyways, when you want to take out the rear bumper, you have to take off this back panel. And to take that out, you got clips. You got clips here. And then you have these hooks that go here. These. It's either a 10 mil or you can use a Phillips to take it out. And then you got these bolts right here. Take those out, and I should get this top part out at least. Bolt in here, the stud on the other side is like fucking, like it's broke or something, so it keeps spinning, so we might have to kind of like break it out. Oh, it's cold as fuck right now. But anyways, so there's gonna be a screw that's gonna be right here behind your wheel, right in there. I already took it out. It's super hard to get to it. Either you gotta take off the rear wheel, because even a stubby won't fit, but if you're an innovator like me, just get 1/4 socket with the smallest ratchet. I don't remember the size, and then just get like a drill bit or like a screwdriver bit, and then just put it out the end of that, and then it should come out still. And then after that, you got a 10 mil under here, and then you got to follow the whole rear hole underneath of the bumper. Back to the inside. I forgot to tell you guys about this, but go ahead and that's where the very corner of your bumper is going to be screwed into. It should be a 10 or a Phillips, I can't remember. And then this is a 10, and then you just take these 2 long ones out, because these other ones are for tail lights. So you just take these 2 long ones out. All right, now that screw that I told you that was in the very corner in the trunk, it is also a Phillips, and it's also a 10, but it is a fucking bitch to get to. To get it going, it's right there. To get it going at first is actually pretty hard, but once you start loosening it, it actually gets pretty easy. You either have to take the wheel off or you're gonna need a swivel head. I'm letting you guys know so you guys don't have to fucking deal with this shit. Especially when it's fucking cold as fuck in fucking California, son. What the fuck? Big reduction. It's like that, you feel me? There's a new-ish one. This is supposedly the VIP style bumper. Not sure, but not sure if it's a good brand, but it's a Duraflex. So we're about to test fit it right now. So, just letting you guys know, anytime you're putting on an aftermarket bumper, fiberglass bumper, or whatever, just know this thing, your crash frame, is definitely going to get in the way. I believe they are, give me a bit, 17s or 16s. Actually, it looks like an 18 or 19 to be honest. And then on the bottom, same thing. Yo, so we gotta speed up because it's raining. So I was gonna say, yeah, they are 18s. They're gonna say you need an extension, but honestly, you don't, because this is what I did. The studs, they push the socket out. So honestly, just barely get it to sit in there like that, and then just twist it. Well, with the ratchet, of course, and then break it loose, and then obviously you can push it back in after. But so it's started raining pretty good now. We're gonna work on the fitment a little bit later. Already 2 o'clock and I gotta start at 3, so I'm not disappointed. Honestly, it looks pretty good. It sits pretty low. This is the thing I'm talking about. That I know it's not OEM, so it's not gonna fit the best, but it's pretty alright. Definitely almost sits as low as my front lip.
Yeah, alright. On the dead locs. Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa.